Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix unable to download or install iOS 17 beta 5 on iPhone. When I download iOS 17.5 beta on my iPhone says unable to download. Tap on general, tap on software update, checking for updates. You can see appears on screen unable to download. iOS beta gives you a really preview of upcoming apps, features and technologies. Please back up your iPhone before you install the beta. Simply you can see appears on screen more storage required. The update cannot be installed. Please it requires at least 11.93 gigabyte of available storage during installation. Tap on more, manage iPhone storage, enable, upgrade option, cancel, show all. You can see appears on screen. YouTube, simply delete some apps like you can see appears on screen. Go back and again tap on general, tap on software update. You can see appears on screen iOS 17 beta 5 is here. Update now, update to night or update to now. This update is 5.77 gigabyte and tap on update now. You can see appears on screen spinning, terms and condition agree, and tap on agree. You can see appears on screen. Wait some minutes. You can see update requested. When the update is downloaded on this iPhone, iOS 17 beta 5, iPhone is automatically installed iOS 17 beta 5 update. That's it. You can see after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix unable to download and install iOS 17 beta 5 update on iPhone. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.